Good morning, boys and girls. Today I am going to read it to you. If you ever wanted to bring an alligator to school, don't. Remember, Miss Snell talked about this book the other day in Reader's Workshop. If you ever want to bring an alligator to school, don't. If your teacher tells you to bring something from nature for show and tell, she means a hollow stick or a bird's nest or some sparkly rock. She does not want you to bring an alligator. If you bring an alligator anyway, she'll tell you that alligators are trouble. You'll tell her that it's okay and that you know all about alligators. This alligator will be quiet and good and he won't eat anyone. Cross your heart. But during spelling, your teacher will hear laughing. This is because the alligator will be showing you funny pictures. Your teacher will write your name on the board. And now you'll have to stand last in line for lunch. You'll take away the crayons and tell the alligator to be quiet and wait for show and tell. Then, during art, an airplane will fly across the room. Oh no. This is because the alligator will be showing you origami. Your teacher will draw a check by your name. And now you'll have to stay in from recess. You'll take away the paper and order the alligator to be good and wait for show and tell. During math, you'll notice the alligator is hungry. Oh no! You'll give the alligator 3 pieces of your favorite gum and beg him to not eat anyone, and for Pete's sake to wait for show and tell. The good thing is that you'll stop him from eating any kids. The bad thing is that the alligator will smack and twirl the gum. And your teacher will notice. What a mess that alligator made with the gum. She'll draw 2 more checks by your name and an underline. Now you'll have to go to the principal's office after school. During lunch, you won't even get to eat your egg and cheese sandwich because somebody will gobble up everything but the crust. Where did the sandwich go? By now, of course, you'll wish you'd have brought a hollow stick or a bird's nest or some sparkly rocks for show and tell instead of an alligator. By now, you'd rather have some dirt than an alligator. You will wish this alligator would just go home. Well, here's what I would do if I were you. First, at a show and tell, you'll sit quietly and learn about hollow sticks and bird's nests and sparkly rocks. And then it'll be your turn. You'll tell how alligators are super big and how alligators are super tough. It's a fact. They're strong and they're tough and they aren't scared of anything except other alligators and humans. Oh, I forgot a section. I did not see it. Also, and how alligators have over 74 super sharp teeth. Booga, booga, booga. Your teacher will be impressed. You might not even have to go to the principal's office for all the mischief that day. But then again, you might have to. Yeah, if you ever want to bring an alligator to school, don't. They're trouble. Oh, man, did that alligator cause some mischief. All right, I hope you enjoyed our book, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.